Hi guys, and welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to take a very quick look at some shortcuts that can really speed up your working with tables in Excel. Now here we've got a data set, and the first thing we want to do is convert it to a table. So we're going to do that by hitting the shortcut Control and T. And that essentially selects the area of your table. We've selected that it has headers, and we're going to click OK. And now your data is formatted as a table. Another quick handy shortcut is actually how to format your numbers quickly. So here we've got numbers formatted just as general. So if we go to the Home tab, you can see they're just formatted as general. Now if you hold Control Shift and 1, so essentially exclamation mark, you can see that formatting is updated to numbers. Control Shift and 4, or the $sign, will format as currency. Now I have it set up in here as pounds as my default currency, and you can mess around with your decimal places. The next thing is how to quickly insert a new row. So this is quite easy. It's essentially the shortcut Control and plus. On my keyboard I have to hold down Control Shift and plus, but that then puts in your new row. Now for a new column, we first have to select an entire column. And to do that, we'll use the shortcut Control and space. That selects your column, and then it's the exact same shortcut that we used previously, which is Control Shift and plus. And there we have our new column in. In a similar way to how we selected an entire column, you can also select an entire row. Instead of pressing Control and space, you press Shift and space. You've got your whole row selected. If you want to move a row around, we can grab our row and we can just drag it down, and you'll see it's got a skinny line there, which means it will insert into the new position. Now if we say wanted to replace this blank line with one of the other bits of data, so say I'm going to select this row, and I drag this down, and instead of just dropping it, if I hold down Shift, it will then select that entire row and you can replace the data in there. Now when moving a column, we can't just select the data set. We need to make sure that we're selecting the entire column. We're going to hold the edge bit down, and you can see that same skinny line shows up. And there we have it moved. And if we wanted to replace a data set, so say I want to move this one, I'm going to drag it across. And I'm going to hold down Shift, and it will then replace that entire column. So they're just some quick keyboard shortcuts that might speed up your working with Excel tables. Are there any others that you find useful? If so, do let me know in a comment. If you found this video useful, remember to give it a thumbs up, and I look forward to seeing you again in the next video.